or two things now. Just remember that A complement intersection B complement, it is A union B complement, and A intersection B complement, you can write it as A complement union B complement. Remember this. Cardinal number of complement number given. Okay, complement of any set is U minus A. How many elements in that set, that will give you the cardinal number of complement. All right. Okay, that I'll discuss when I'll solve the DPP. Now let's start the topic. Without any delay, write on the heading inequality. Write on the heading inequality. It is very important and its application is very, very important, beta. Yeah, Charan, this class is recording, I think. Yeah, Satvik, completed. Just I have to discuss lots of problem in the form of DPP and the problems given in module. No, it is not new chapter, the same chapter, fundamental of mathematics. In it, there is a subtopic inequality, which I am going to start today, right on the heading inequality. Now, look at this, beta. Suppose minus x is greater than 4. Suppose somewhere you see minus x is greater than 4. Now look at this. The symbol is sign of inequality. Okay. Or if you see like x is less than 4, these are symbols of inequality. So this and this, it represents inequality, as we all know. And if this is symbol, it is symbol of equal or equality. Okay. Okay, suppose x minus 2, it is greater than 3. I need to solve this. So x will be greater than, take 2 to either side, 3 plus 2, that is x is greater than 5. Okay, now suppose minus x is greater than 4. Minus x is greater than 4. I have to find the values of x. Now, do remember one thing. If I multiply negative sign both the sides, sign of inequality will change. If I multiply by negative sign both the sides, I'm multiplying by negative sign both the sides, and the sign will reverse. Okay, so finally I'm getting x is less than minus 4. These are few basics which we have to remember. Suppose minus 2x, it is less than 5x plus 7. Suppose I want to solve this. Okay, sorry, suppose it is minus 5x. Yeah, say this is minus, this is 5x. Okay, now suppose I want to solve this. Take 5x to left side, I will get minus 7x. It is less than 7. Now I can divide it by 7. What I'll get, minus x is less than 1. Now I want x, so I'm going to multiply it by negative sign. We'll get this, and inequality will reverse, and my answer will be like this. Suppose doing a variation here, minus 5x plus 7, it is minus 5x plus 1, it is greater than 2. Suppose I need to solve this, or it is suppose this. So what I gonna do is minus 5x is greater than 2 minus 1, that is 1, or minus x, it is greater than equal to 1 by 5 divided by 5, multiply by negative sign, I'll get x is less than or equal to minus 1 by 5. Write down these things, beta. Okay, so if it is like this, I'll get this. If it is like this, getting this. If it is this, getting this. And if problem is this, getting this. I hope these basics are clear. Write down this, beta. Satvik, don't worry. After inequality, log, those topics will get covered. Don't worry, beta. Everything will get covered. Just give me some time. Mohammad Ayan, sir, you're asking, sir, how did you transfer 5x to LHS without knowing sign of x? Okay, look at this. What I did was, I'm writing it in 2 steps. Okay. It is just I'm doing using algebra. Take 5x to left side, what I will get? Minus 2x minus 5x. Okay, it is less than 7. As we do in normal algebra, like a plus b is equal to 2. What I write is a is equal to 2 minus b. A is equal to 2 minus b. Okay, got this? Yeah, Navya, good morning, beta. Okay, just like that, I've taken 5x to left side and I've written this, and it will become minus 7x is less than 7. I'm dividing it by 7. Minus x, it is less than 7 upon 7. It means minus x is less than 1. Then I'm multiplying by negative sign and it will reverse. Just listen my words. On multiplying by negative sign, it will reverse the inequality. I hope it is clear to everybody. Fine. Okay, Priyanka. Okay, and should I rub it or you people are writing? Okay, I'm erasing. Sahas Ranjali, but actually I don't. Actually, you can consult to management regarding the recording. All right. Actually, I'm not recording it. The host is recording. The host Resonance Varangal second. It is on second. Look at the icon there. He is recording, and you can consult him for that. All right, beta. Okay. Now. This. Now the problem is how to solve inequality. Suppose I'm taking I need to solve. It was the basic the previous things which I have discussed were very basic. It was having just one factor in x. Now I'm taking two or more than two factors like this. And I want to solve this is greater than or equal to 0. Now, look at this. There are two factors. Their multiplications is greater than or equal to 0. If I'm getting two factors, what you need to do is equate every factor equal to 0. Put it equal to 0. Put it equal to 0. From here, I'm getting x is equal to 2. From here, I'm getting x is equal to 4. I'm getting two values of x and plot those values on number line like this. 2, 4. I've plotted them on number line in ascending order. Now draw a curve like this, like this, like this. This curve is called as wavy curve diagram. This curve is called as wavy curve diagram, and this method is called as wavy curve method. This method is called as wavy curve method. All right, now beta, I have drawn the curve like this. It is wavy curve. Now This curve is dividing the number line in how many parts? 1, 2, 3. In 3 different parts, it is dividing the regions. First part I'm taking is when x is greater than 4. First region I'm taking in is when x is greater than 4. Now, beta, look at this. When x is Kirtan, Priya, I don't know, beta, why they are recording. You can ask them. I don't know why they are recording, beta. You can ask them. Even I don't have any idea regarding that, Priya. All right, beta. I don't have any idea. Really, I don't have any idea. Now, beta, if x is greater than 4, it is my first interval, first region. Now, when x is greater than 4, take any number which is greater than 4. For example, say I'm taking x is equal to 5. I'm taking x is equal to 5. Now, if I put 5 here, I'm getting 5 minus 2, that is positive. 5 minus 2 is positive. Put 5 over here, 5 minus 4 is again positive. Now tell me, if you multiply positive by positive, you will get a positive quantity or not? You will get a positive quantity, and positive is greater than or equal to 0. Is it correct or not? Is it right or wrong? It is right. Yes, Akshita. So I can say that it is correct. It means entire region is accepted. Entire region is accepted and will be the part of my answer. Okay, I'll clear the doubts. Don't worry, beta. Just let me explain first. Yeah, I'll explain everything. Don't worry, beta. Every doubt what will come in your mind, I'll explain everything. Okay, now I'm taking second interval. That is when x lies from 2 to 4. 2x. When x lies from 2 to 4. Take any number in between 2 to 4. Say I'm taking x is equal to 3. Now, beta, if I put x is equal to 3 here, 3 minus 2 is positive. 3 minus 4 is negative. Positive into negative will give you some negative number. Is it right or wrong? It is wrong. So I can say that this is rejected. This region is rejected. Now, case number 3, I'm framing. When x is smaller than 2. When x is smaller than 2, in this case, what will happen? Take any number less than 2, that is, I'm taking x is equal to 0. 0 minus 2 is negative. 0 minus 4 is negative. Negative into negative is positive. Is it correct? Yes, but it is correct. So first is accepted, second is rejected, and third is accepted. Okay. Now, talking about discrete points, if x is equal to 2, if I put x is equal to 2, beta, tell me this term is 0 now. Do we want 0? Yes, there is equal symbol, so it is also accepted. If x is equal to 4, entire thing is 0. Do we want 0? Yes, we want, so it is also accepted and will be the part of my answer. Now, so solution of this inequality I'm going to write. What will be the solution of inequality? This interval and this interval. So I'm writing x is less than 2. 2 is also included, or x is greater than 4. 4 is also included. This is my final answer. Okay. Another way to write the same thing is x belongs to minus infinity to 2 close. 2 is close because we want to put union in place of or 4 to infinity. This is my answer. Now write down this, and what doubts you are having, you can ask. Yeah, I will explain again, don't worry. Okay, कोई बात नहीं तुषार, अभी से आप स्टडी करना शुरू कर दीजिए, लेट हो गए कोई बात नहीं. Sir, we didn't use that number line ना sir, so is that useless? Sir, here we didn't use that number line na. I've used the number line na. This is my number line. Look at this. On number line, I have plotted these two numbers. So I'm explaining it again. Again, I'm explaining it. Now, look at this. There are two factors in multiplication, and I have to solve it for greater than or equal to 0. Put these two factors equal to 0. If I put them equal to 0, I will get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Fine. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. Plot them on number line in ascending order and draw a diagram like this. I have drawn the diagram like this. Now, first region will be this, second is this, third is this. Take first region when x is greater than 4. In that region, take any value of x as per your choice. I have taken x is equal to 5, for example. Put 5 here, you will get 5 minus 2, that is positive. 5 minus 4 is positive. Positive into positive is positive. It is greater than or equal to 0. Is it correct statement or not? Yes, it is correct. It is correct. So this region is part of my answer or it is accepted. Okay. Now second is this region 2 to 4. Take any value of x in between. Say I have taken x is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is positive. 3 minus 4 is negative. Positive into negative is negative. Negative is greater than or equal to 0. It is wrong. So I can say that this is rejected. Coming to third interval, when x is smaller than 2, these values. Take any value of x in this interval. Say I have taken 0 or 1 as per your choice. You can take anything. You can take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. You can also take x is equal to minus 1, 1, anything as per your choice. In this interval, x is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is negative. 1 minus 4 is negative. Negative into negative is positive. It is greater than 0. Yes. So it is also part of my answer. Now check it. I've solved the inequality. What about equality? There is also equal symbol now. I have to check for that. When x is equal to 2, entire thing is 0. Do we want 0? Yes, we want 0. So it is also part of my answer. Accepted. Again, 4 is also accepted. Now I'm going to write the answer. Accepted interval, I'm going to write x is greater than 4. X is less than 2. I'm writing x is less than 2 or x is greater than 4. Since 2 and 4 are also there, we can put equal symbol there. Or another way to write the same thing is this. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, write down this beta. Write down this. You can take in third case x is equal to -1 also, beta. Huh? Sayyid Abdul, sir, in second case 0 is neither positive nor negative. Where I have taken 0, where you are getting 0, beta? Rushi Varun, I'm saying if you are going to take any number in this interval, it will satisfy. Say x is equal to, if you are taking x is equal to -3, look at this. -3 -2 is negative. -3 -4 is negative. All right, you are getting the same thing. Clear now? Why did you take only 3 as value of x? You can take anything, beta. If you don't want to take 3, take any number in between it. You can take 2.1. If you want 2.1, you can take 2.1. Any number will satisfy in between. 2.1. Look at this. 2.1 minus 2 is positive. 2.1 minus 4 is negative. Varshita, fine. Sayyid Abdul, fine. Rushi Varun, cleared. Yeah, Bhavna, you can take any value of x. Huh? Last step. Okay, last step of writing the answer. Look at this. The accepted values should be in our answer. Okay, so accepted values are this value and this value. This is accepted interval. This is accepted interval. X is less than or equal to 2, or x is greater than or equal to 4. Minus infinity to 2, 4 to infinity. This is my answer. I hope it is clear. Okay, Rohan, brackets. Okay, I'm rubbing this. First, should I rub this, beta, if you have written this? Should I rub this? If anybody is writing, he can ask me to wait. In second case, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So in second case, where is 0, beta? Sir, in all, you are saying, sir, Sayyid Abdul, sir, in all the cases, numbers must be equal to 0 or positive. Now, yes, you are right. Then how can consider 0 is positive or negative? 0 is neither positive nor negative. Understand, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. I have taken 3. I am getting negative number. Okay, let me clear you. I'm rubbing this first. Huh? I'll clear your doubt. Huh? And few students are saying about brackets. Now, what I'll tell Sayyid Abdul, your misconception will be cleared. If I'm writing 5 is greater than equal to 2, it is correct or wrong, right or wrong? Yes or no? 5 is greater than equal to 2. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, it is correct statement. Understand? The meaning of this symbol is it is either greater or equal to 2. If any of the condition holds, then this statement is correct. Is it correct? Yes, it is also correct, because any of the condition holds. Yes, 5 is equal to 5, one of the condition holds, then I can say that this statement is correct. Understand? So I hope now you got this. So somewhere, if you see like -2 greater than equal to 0, is it correct? It is wrong because nothing holds. Suppose -2 less than or equal to 0. It is correct because one of the thing holds now. Now your doubt is clear, beta. Doubt of it was the doubt of Sayyid Abdul, clear, beta. Okay, well, these are misconceptions. Somik, I'll prepare. Don't worry, beta. Okay, and talking about the brackets, a few students were asking, suppose x belongs to all real numbers. I can also write it as x belongs to -infinity to infinity. Okay, suppose x is greater than 2. I can write it as x belongs to 2 open to infinity. If x is greater than equal to 2, I can write x belongs to 2 close to infinity. This I have told you again writing. X is less than equal to 7. I can write that as x belongs to -infinity to 7. I hope things are clear. Suppose x -7, 4. I can write it as x belongs to -7 is kept closed, 4 is open. Now things are getting clear to everybody, I hope. Huh? I hope it is clear. So brackets are clear to everybody. These things are clear. Vishnu, look at this. X belongs to all real numbers. So entire number line means -infinity to infinity. X is greater than 2. 2 say infinity. Greater than or equal to 2. 2 to infinity. But here it is closed bracket. Here it is open bracket because 2 is excluded. Less than or equal to 7. All numbers smaller than 7. -infinity to 7. -7 to 4. I think now fine, huh? So I'm rubbing this. Should I rub this? Okay, Priya, write down. Satvik, just wait. Your all concepts will get cleared. Let it. Write it down first. Finished. Okay, I'm rubbing this. Now, so it was the basic how to solve this. Now, I'm telling you, suppose, for example, there were two factors. Suppose, for example, there are four factors, x -2, x -7, x plus 7, and -3x, -9, something like that. There are so many things. So just think how typical it would be to plot everything on number line, then check for everything, make 4 cases, 5 cases, 6 cases. So how much time it will take? So I'm going to tell you, write on the heading. Write on the heading. Points to remember while solving inequality. Points to remember while solving inequality. And if you'll listen my points, you'll be able to write the answer in fraction of seconds in very less time. All right. So points to remember while solving inequality. Write on the first point. Write on the first point. While solving inequality, while solving the inequality, the coefficient of x is equal to 1 in every factor. While solving inequality, make coefficient of x is equal to 1 in every factor. Then draw wavy curve and distribute signs from right to left, starting from positive. While solving inequality, make coefficient of x is equal to 1 in every factor. Then draw wavy curve and distribute signs from right to left, starting from positive. Distribute alternate signs. Alternate signs. Write down this. Second point is positive number or expression has no effect on inequality and can be removed while solving. Second is positive number or expression has no effect on inequality and can be removed while solving. Just check for equality. Just check for equality. Don't worry, beta. Karan, Rushi, Varun, don't worry. Let me write one, two more points. I'll explain everything and your every doubt will get clear, beta. Huh? Third point is, you're asking, it means inequality. Sahas Ranjali, inequality. Huh? I'm completing inequality. Okay. So third point is very important. Never cross multiply while solving. हम कभी भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे while solving inequality. Okay, write on this. Next point is be careful that denominator should not be equal to 0 while solving. Write down these things. Write down, then I'll explain you. So we should be careful while solving inequality that denominator should not be equal to 0. In fact, we have to remove the values of x for which denominator is going 0. Write on this. Okay, I'm reading second point, beta. Positive number or expression, positive number or positive expression has no effect on inequality and it can be removed while solving. Just check for equality. Just check for equality. If you people have written, can I rub? Okay, write down. Okay. Positive number. I'm reading the second. Positive number or positive expression has no effect on inequality and can be removed while solving Just check for equality. Just check for equality. So can I rub these things? Okay, I'm rubbing this. Now I've told you few basic points which you have to keep in mind. Now, how to apply these points? So, suppose our question is x minus 1 into x minus 3. Question is x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x plus 4. It is less than or equal to 0. Suppose I want to solve this. Suppose I want to solve this. Now look at this problem. Tell me coefficient of x is 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. No need to change anything. Now put this factor is equal to 0. I'll get x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Put it equal to 0. I'll get x is equal to 3. Put it equal to 0. I'm getting x is equal to minus 4. Now beta, draw a number line and arrange them in ascending order. Minus 4, 1, 3. Something like this, and draw a wavy curve like this. It is very, till now it is very easy, beta. Till now it is very easy. Again I'm saying, put everything is equal to 0, get x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 4, arranging it on number line and draw a curve like this. All right. Now starting from first right side, draw arrow and distribute sign plus minus plus minus. Plus minus plus minus. Okay, now I'm going to write the answer in this step. How should I write? It is less than 0. We want less than 0 means negative. Negative is here, negative is here. So my answer will be x is less than minus 4. X is less than minus 4. What interval we get? We are getting this interval beta, and also we are getting this interval because it is also negative. And talking about the discrete values, tell me, should minus 4 be taken? Yes, if I might put x is equal to minus 4, entire thing is 0 and we want 0, I've taken 1, 2, 3. Tell me, should we take 1? Yes. Should we take 3? Yes. So another way of writing the same thing is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 4 union 1, 2, 3. I hope this thing is clear to everybody. If clear, tell me, beta. Okay, Mohammed, Pawan, very good. Okay, okay. That's very good. It's clear to everyone now. For those who didn't understood, I'm repeating it again, beta. Yeah. Coefficient of x is 1. X is 1. Coefficient of x is 1. Okay. Put it equal to 0, I'll get x is equal to 1. Put it equal to 0, x is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 4. Arrange these numbers on line like this. Draw a curve like this. Put arrow like this. And starting from here, distribute the sign from positive plus minus plus minus. Okay. Now, plus minus I have got. Now, this is less than or equal to 0. It means we want negative. Negative is here. Negative is here. So we want this. We want this. Do we want minus 4? Yes. If I put x is equal to minus 4, entire thing is 0 and we want 0. So this is my answer. X is less than or equal to minus 4 or x belongs to 1, 2, 3. I hope now it is clear to everybody. Pavan, let the time come. I'll tell you everything when there will be power 3, power 9, power 1 by 3. Don't worry, your every doubt will get cleared. All right. Is it clear to everybody now? All right. Okay. Okay. Well, Tushar, Mohammed. Okay. Clear to everybody? Sign Ritish. Okay. Look at this. From right, I'll proceed starting from positive sign plus minus plus minus. We want negative since it is less than 0. Okay. Negative is here. Negative is here. This is my answer. This is my answer. Just I have written x less than minus 4. X belongs to 1, 2, 3. I hope this is clear now. So should I rub this? Should I rub this, beta? Okay. Well, fine. I'm rubbing this. Now, suppose my problem is 1 upon x plus 2. It is less than, say I'm taking, what should I take? Anything. Say I'm taking minus 3 upon 4x plus 2. Suppose I need to solve this. Okay. I'm taking the variation. Okay. First step, we should not cross and multiply. Instead, take this to same side. 1 upon x plus 2 plus 3 upon 4x plus 2. It is less than 0. I hope it is clear. I hope beta it is clear. Now, coefficient of, now take LCM, x plus 2 into 4x plus 2. LCM will be 4x plus 3x, that is 7x. 2 plus 6, that is 8. It is less than 0. Look at this, 4x plus 3x, that is 7x, plus 2 plus 6, that is 8 upon x plus 2 into 4x plus 2, it is less than 0. I hope till here it is clear. Now, look at this, coefficient of x is not 1. To make it 1, take 7 as common. Take 4 as common. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here, beta? Now, I have told you, you can remove positive number while solving. So remove this. So remove this. Now, put every factor is equal to 0. Put every factor is equal to 0. What I'm getting from here, x is equal to minus 8 by 7. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 8 by 7. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. I'm getting these things. Now, beta, plot them on number line. Like, so the smallest of them is minus 2, then minus 8 by 7, then minus 1 by 2. And draw a diagram like this. Again, look at this, 7 common, x plus 8 by 7, x plus 2, 4 common, x plus 2 by 4. Put it equal to 0, x equal to minus 8 by 7, equal to 0, minus 2, equal to 0, minus 1 by 2. Smallest is minus 2, then minus 8 by 7, then minus half. Proceed from right to left, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now what we wanted, beta? We wanted negative sign. Negative comes here, negative comes here. So my answer should be this region and this region. All right. So I'm going to write the answer. X is less than minus 2. Do we want minus 2? If you put x is equal to minus 2, denominator is 0. So we don't want. Or minus 8 by 7, x minus half. Do we want minus 8 by 7? Yes or no, beta? Do you want minus 8 by 7? Tell me. No, very good, beta. Huh? Why we don't want? Because if I put x equal to minus 8 by 7, this entire thing is 0. And here is, we don't want 0. So excluded. And this is my final answer. I hope everyone got this. Write down. So how easy was this to write the answer? Write down this beta first. Write down this, then I'll explain if you have any doubt, please. Yeah, I will explain. Don't worry, beta. Another way to write the same thing is you can put union over here. Minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 8 by 7 to minus 1 by. Well, so now I'm explaining it again. Just listen to my words. Focus, everyone who didn't understood. This is my problem. I've told you don't cross multiply while solving. Just take everything on same side. So I'm taking this on left. I will get this plus this. It is less than 0. Till now, any doubt? If anybody is having doubt till here, okay, all right. Nobody's having doubt. After this, I'm taking LCM. Just as usual, 4x plus 3x will make 7x. 2 plus 6 will make 8 upon this less than 0. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here, beta? No. Pawan, you are asking something. Wait, let me check what you are saying. Uh, you can also plot like that, but the way I'm saying, you won't get confused. Okay, that's why I'm saying that put coefficient of x is equal to 1 beta. Huh? So better do it like this. All right. Satvik, you are saying previous sir told this topic correctly, and in this method, some things are not explained like simply it is not plus or minus. Everybody has different way to explain. So it's up to you. If you are well versed to it, then just follow that. And other people, just what I'm saying, just follow this. Huh? Well, fine. Now, because I'm going to make so many variations in it, huh? 7. Now after this, I'm making 7 as common. It will make x plus 8 by 7. Coefficient of x is 1. There is no need to change. Coefficient of x is 4. Take 4 as common. X plus 2 by 4. Okay. Now after this, beta, positive has no effect. So we can remove them. Now plot it on number line. The smallest is minus 2. Then minus 8 by 7. Then minus 1 by 2. I plotted them. After plotting, just make curve like that, diagram like that. Proceed from right to left, distributing alternate sign, plus, minus, plus, minus. I have distributed. Okay. So after this, now I'm going to write the answer. We want negative. We want negative. Negative is here. Negative is here. X is less than minus 2, or x belongs to minus 8 by 7 to minus half. Simple. I got the answer. Now I think it is clear to everybody. Okay, well, Tushar. Okay. Should I rub beta? Should I rub? Should I rub this beta? Okay, I'm going to rub this. Now, I'm going to make more variation. Now, this problem will be for you, and I'm going to see who will give the correct answer. All right. So I'm framing a problem. Minus 3x plus root 3 3x minus 9 upon minus 2x minus pi, say suppose upon minus 2x minus pi. Okay, it is greater than or equal to 0. Minus 3x plus root 3, 3x minus 9 upon minus 2x minus pi into minus 2x minus 1, it is greater than equal to 0. Let's see, we'll solve it correctly first. Greater than equal to 0. We need to solve this. I want answer from everyone. Let's see who gave the answer first and correctly. Take your time. Try to solve it correct. Okay, Akshita is very, very fast and given the answer. Okay, I'll verify. Very good, beta, Akshita. Kota, Anuj, what have you written? I'm not able to get what you have written actually. Mohammad Ayan also gave the answer. Minus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by root 2 union 1 by root 3 to 3. Okay. I will check. Don't worry. Got the answer from 2 students. Yeah, Varun, actually, I've given a different problem. I've given a slight variation. Don't worry. When I'll tell, it will be easy for you. Huh? Answer of other student is minus pi by 2 to minus half union 1 by root 3 to 3. Don't worry, beta. Just follow what I'm saying and everything will be easy for you. Because I'm here to remove your misconceptions and to clear your every concept. All right. And I'll tell you the easiest way, easiest approach to do the things and solve the problems. All right. Vibhu Charan also gave the answer. Sanjay also gave the answer. Okay. But I can see that all answers are different. Okay. Yeah, I've seen your answer, Sanjay. Yeah, Mohammad Ayan, I've seen your answer. Okay, now should I solve this? Should I solve this? Shobit also gave the answer. Okay, I'm going to solve it. Beta, Shobit, how you got 11 by 7? How you got 11 and 7? There is nothing like 11 and 7 there. Okay, you have taken 22 by 7. Okay. First, don't take it as 22 by 7. I've cautioned you again that don't take pi as 22 by 7. Now look at this, how I am solving. Just focus on it, what I'm doing. Huh? Just listen to my words, listen me and stop writing. Just listen to me, beta. I'll explain, I will solve. Then it will be clear. Now, first is coefficient of x is -3. I have to make it 1. As I have written in first point, to make it 1, how to make it 1? Take -3 as common and it will be x minus root 3 by 3. I can write it as x minus 1 by root 3. Very basic step, -3 common, x minus root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3. Take 3 as common, I will get x minus 9 by 3, that is 3. Now come to the denominator. Take -2 as common, I will be getting x plus 5 by 2. Take -2 as common, I am getting x plus 1 by 2. It is greater than or equal to 0. Again, I am repeating this step to make it more clear for everyone. -3 I have taken common. X minus root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3. 3 is common, x minus 3. -2 is common, x plus 5 by 2, -2 common, x plus this. If you multiply, you will get minus 3x plus root 3. 3x minus 9. Minus 2x minus 5. Minus 2x minus 1. I hope it is clear. I have repeated this step several times. Now, after this, how many minus are there, beta? How many minus are there? There are 3 minus. Yes. So minus into minus into minus, yeah, minus into minus upon minus will give you extra minus sign. So suppose I'm writing it again. Minus of x minus 1 by root 3 into x minus 3 upon x plus 5 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, it is greater than or equal to 0. And there is some constant. There is some constant 9 upon 4. All right. This step is very easy. I have written. Now, I have told you positive number has no effect on inequality. There is negative sign. If I multiply by negative sign, inequality will reverse. So I'm writing x minus 1 by root 3, x minus 3 upon x plus pi by 2, x plus half less than or equal to 0. Now I need to solve this. X minus 1 by root 3 into x minus 3 upon x plus pi by 2 into x plus half less than or equal to 0. Now beta, look at this. Look at this. Plotting them on number line. Plotting them on number line. Suppose this is my number line. There are 4 numbers. Numbers are, if I put this is equal to 0, I am getting x is equal to 1 by root 3, 3 minus pi by 2 and minus half. Arrange them in ascending order in number line. Smallest is minus pi by 2. It is minus 1.5 minus half 1 by root 3 and 3. Draw it like this. Okay, beta. Now proceed from right to left, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Again, I'm repeating this. Put everything equal to 0. I'm getting the value of x 1 by root 3, 3 minus pi by 2 minus half. Arrange them in ascending order. Plot the diagram like this. Right to left, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now, what we wanted is less than 0 means negative. Negative is here, negative is here, beta. Okay. So negative is here and negative is here. Now I am going to write my answer minus pi by 2 less than x minus 1 by 2. Now tell me, do we want minus pi by 2? It is in denominator, so excluded. Do we want minus half? Denominator, it is excluded. Or 1 by root 3 to 3. 1 by root 3 x 3. Do you want 1 by root 3? It is a numerator. It will make everything 0 and we want 0. So it is in my answer. Do we want 3? Yes, we want 3. It is also included. So answer will be x belongs to minus pi by 2 to minus half union 1 by root 3 to 3. Write down this first. So the first answer I got from Akshita. It's very nice, very sweet of you, beta. Very good and very fast you have given the answer. Exactly correct. Very good. Mohammad Ayan, you have given minus half. It was not minus half. Then Sanjay, your answer was not right. Vibhu, minus pi by 2 was open, not closed. If you mistake in bracket, answer will be wrong. But very nice try, Vibhu. Good. Mohammad Ayan, you said minus 1 by root 2. Minus pi by 2 minus half. Union 1 by root 3 to 3. Yeah, very good, beta. You have given the correct answer. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Mohammad Faisal also gave the correct answer. Very nice, beta. Shobhit, you got rectified your mistake. Kaushal, check your answer, rectify the mistake, correct it. Minus pi by 2, union 1 minus. Propul, check it. Sayyid Abdul Mateen, very good beta, बहुत अच्छा आंसर आपका भी, very nice. Mohammad Ayan, finally you have corrected and it was correct, very good. Sayyid Abdul correct. Mohammad Ayan, correct. Final answer correct. I was just reviewing the answers of everyone. Rohan, 1 by root 3. You have to just around, you can say that it is point something. 1 upon 1.73. It is point something and it is 3. So it is obviously smaller. Understand, beta? Mohammad Faisal, right, correct. Very good, Faisal beta. Chandana, you are also right. Very good. Pavan. Now everybody gave the correct answer. Very good, beta. Very nice. Now, Rohan, you are asking last second step once again. Last second step. Second last step. Okay, wait. Yeah, मैं explain करूँगा. Don't worry. वन सेकेंड बेटा. सर वहां पर 1/√3 की जगह क्या √3/3 आ सकता है? यस बेटा, बोथ आर सेम. √3/3 you can write 3/√3. 1/√3, √3/3 both are same. 1/√3 और आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं √3/3 both are same बेटा. Both are same things. Yeah, I'll explain how to write the answer and I'll explain second last step from second last step. Now look at this beta. Look at this beta. Now I am going to put equate every factor equal to 0. This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. From here, I'm getting 4 values of x. Till here, I hope everybody understood. Now, I'm going to plot these on a number line in increasing order. -π/2, -half. I hope आप लोगों को confusion नहीं होगा increasing order में लिखने में. -π/2 is the smallest. Then -half, then 1/√3, then 3. Okay, there won't be any confusion. After this, proceed from right to left, distributing alternate sign starting from positive, plus minus plus minus plus. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए था? What we wanted it is less than 0. Negative is here, negative is here. So my answer will be -π/2 to -half, union, or -1/√3 to 3. This is my answer. Now talking about what is included, what is not. -π/2, x को अगर मैं -π/2 रखूंगा तो डिनोमिनेटर 0 होगा, so it should not be included. Okay, मैंने हटा दिया, it is not there. -half रखूंगा, so it is 0, so it should also be excluded. If I put x equal to 1/√3, entire thing is 0 and we want 0, answer can be 0, taken. X is equal to 3, entire thing is 0, we want 0, taken. I hope now it is clear to everybody. Sanjay Singh sir, why -π/2 and -half are excluded? Okay, beta, let me tell you. Look at this, beta. I'm writing why they are excluded. If x is equal to -π/2, if x is equal to -π/2, look at this. X is equal to -π/2, -π/2 plus π/2 will be 0. Denominator will be 0, and this thing I have written in second or third point, maybe it is not allowed. Understood, beta? And if x is equal to -half, if I put x is equal to -half, again denominator is 0. This thing is prohibited. Okay. Now, if I put x is equal to 1 by root 3, x is equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, what I am getting is on left side it is 0. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. In today's beginning of lecture, I have told you this. It is correct. Huh? So it is included. And x is equal to 3. It is also included. I hope आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा बेटा. सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Yeah, Sanjay, I'll give. So I want to share few things. First of all, today, yeah, numerator is 0 means entire thing is 0. What I'm getting is 0 less than or equal to 0. It is correct. That means it is included. So today, I haven't discussed DPP. Second, so I'll explain it tomorrow. So I'll request to, so the students who haven't solved that DPP, they have time to solve. You can solve it today. And no, you cannot write 1 by 3 to 3 because 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3 both are different now, beta. And the students who have solved, that's very nice. And just revise these things and follow what I'm saying, beta. And I'll tell you the shortest of shortest method how to solve anything, okay? And we'll tell you very, very basic, very important tips for various problems. So just follow what I'm saying. And one thing, beta, just revise this thing. And tomorrow I'll discuss DPP. And after then, I'll take it little bit further when I'll raise some power like power 1 by 3, 1 by 9, power 100, power 2002, and so on. Okay, so I'll make very good variation in problem. Satvik, what you are asking? Are we going slow in syllabus? Can we complete full cell? Don't worry, it will get completed. It's up to me. I will make it complete. Huh? Don't worry. You just focus on what I'm teaching. All right, beta. Yeah, Vishnu, I will share. Don't worry, beta. Don't worry. Don't think anything of syllabus or anything. Just focus on what I'm teaching, what I'm giving for homework, what I'm giving in DP as DPP. Just focus on it, solve it, revise my lecture, solve the homework, and follow my things. And sure, you'll get success. Yeah, I'll think about WhatsApp group. I'll talk to the management. Okay, so today's lecture is clear to everybody. Now clear to everybody. Okay, Aksha, thank you. Thank you, Tushar. Yeah, Yashwant, I'll only teach. Huh? Don't worry, beta. Thank you, Rishik. Thank you, Satvik. Okay, Akshita. Thank you, Muhammad Ayan. Thank you, beta. Okay, Tushar. All right, beta. मुझे भी मजा आ गया. It was a great talking to you all. You all are very good students. All right, see you in next lecture. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Take care, beta. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye, beta. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for all of your kind words. Thank you so much, beta. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.